Welcome to Moumache Soft. In this short video tutorial, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to calculate your age using your date of birth in Excel. After watching this video, you'll be able to find out your exact date of birth. It's very simple, let's take a look. To calculate age in Excel, we use the datediff function. Before you use the function, make sure the data table is formatted properly. The cells with dates must be formatted as date, and the cells to display the calculated age need to be formatted as numbers. Select the cell to display the result, enter the equal sign, and right after, type in datediff. Now, we need to enter three details. The first one is the date of birth, so click in cell C5, then add a comma, and Excel now needs today's date. This can be easily entered as today function. Type in today, and carry on by adding the opening and the closing bracket. This command will ensure that Excel will always use the current date for its calculations, making the result always up to date. Add another comma, and carry on typing Y in quotation marks for years. To find out the exact number of the completed years that passed between the date of birth and today's date. Now, just close the brackets and hit enter, that's all. The function can be used to calculate age in the other rows too. Simply copy the formula from the first cell by dragging down the bottom left corner of that cell. Each row now contains the calculated age as the number of completed years that passed between the date of birth and today. If you found this video helpful, please like us and subscribe to receive more videos from Moumache Soft. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.